I would like you to consider our new product, Human Veal, coming to you at the special price of only £12 per pound. This really is the humane choice. We do not shoot the male human babies born from milking women in our dairy in Glasgow. We keep the boys for your taste pleasure. To ensure the delicate taste of the young bodies, we take them from their mothers after birth and keep them isolated in spacious, purpose-built stalls to limit their movement. We feed them on a milk replacement food that ensures a rapid growth and the pure white meat you will enjoy. In 20 weeks, they are ready to be processed. They die too young to experience any health issues. Our veal human babies are the ethical solution to the issue of surplus boys on a human dairy farm. Whilst their female siblings grow on to become human milk producers, the boys can be happy, knowing that they only have to live for a few short weeks and they won't have to face the cruelty of the world as their sisters do. Human veal is readily available and often Humane Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals approved. You will find many recipes to include all parts of the baby, and baby liver is such a delicious food choice. Choose human veal from our top quality milking herd and you know that you will have tender, pale meat for your plate from babies who will otherwise be shot at birth. Human veal is the way forward for taste, pleasure, your health, and the planet. Art reflects culture. Do you think this art reflects your culture? This performance art was created by Interdisciplinary Artist Stephanie Lane, founder of Speciesism.WTF, an art-based organization. You can find more information on our Instagram page or by speaking to one of our art guides here today, dressed in black.